What is up, guys? Busker here with ThinkComputers, and we're back with another video. Today we're checking out a very simple RGB LED strip. You know, this is something that's become increasingly popular, and this one is incredibly affordable and it just works. It is the Reeven Twila kit. So let's go ahead and take a look. The Twila kit is pretty simple. You'll get two RGB LED strips, all the proper cables to connect them to your motherboard, and some 3M mounting tape. Each of the two strips have 21 50/50 RGB LEDs inside. You also find magnets mounted inside each strip as well. This is going to make mounting these strips inside of a steel case very easy. Installation is a breeze, and we didn't have to use any of the included 3M tape because we have a steel case. So we installed one of the strips on the bottom of our case and the other towards the rear. These strips connect to your motherboard via a standard 4-pin RGB connection and work with all major motherboard RGB software. We tested this kit with Asus's Aura Sync and it worked flawlessly. Now, to give you an idea of how much light this kit provides, here are some before and after shots done inside of a case with a tinted tempered glass window. As I said at the beginning of this video, this is a very simple RGB LED strip kit. You have two strips and they are compatible with all major motherboard software, so it's just kind of install it, connect it to your motherboard, and you're good to go. And you really can't complain about the price either. It's $15.99 per kit. That's hardly any money, and you can load up on kits. We would suggest doing two kits for a full system build to really illuminate the inside if that's what you're, the look that you're going for. Now, we'll have a link below to our full written review, which will go over these, this kit in full detail. But we are giving away 3 of these to you guys. We'll have that link below where you can easily enter the contest. It's going to go on for about 2 weeks, so definitely check that out. And we'll have the link below where you can pick one of these strips up if that's what you're looking for. Now, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoy our tech content, go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, catch you guys later.